Hello everyone, my name is Dan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your screen, your computer screen for free. And this is the free software that we are gonna use, and you can use also if you are using Windows, Mac and Linux. It will support all the platforms. So if you want to make tutorials, if you want to record your gameplay, if you want to stream also, this software also allows to stream you on Twitch and YouTube also, so that is very good option. So let's jump into it. So you just have to download it first, whatever platform you're using. I am using Windows, so I have to download it and installed it. After installing it, you will be here. It will look like this. Once you are done with this, then you need to add a scene. You just have to add a scene. There you have it. I have added another scenes, and now I have to click on display capture, and it will start recording here. In this options on display, you have to select monitor. Obviously if you have dual monitor setup, then you can use it. You can select whichever monitor you want to use. Also you can capture your cursor. Also you can uncheck this. If you don't want to capture your cursor, then click on OK now and click on start recording. It will start recording here. The mic will also be default because it will also generally detect your mic, but if it doesn't, then go to here and here just select one of your microphone. Here I have, in my case I am using this. Okay, so it is working very fine, no doubt. If you don't have, you have external mic, then you can just go here and audio capture device and click on any of your mic. You can add it, but in this I have, in mixer I have my mic settings, so you can use those very easily. So I can remove this now. So if your PC is not detecting your mic here, then you can add it from here. It is very easy. You can use your webcam here also. If you select a video capture device, and boom, you are now recording your webcam through your webcam. It's very easy. So this is very easy. So, and just click start recording. Okay, now, and once you are done with, just stop, click on stop recording. So that's it. And also you can do something here. Go on settings, and for streaming you can go here and streaming services, select one of them. Okay, Twitch, YouTube, whatever you want, and click stream key. You can paste your stream key here and click apply and OK. Then again go to here and go to output and click on it will be on simple, but if you can select, then go to advanced, and you can manually play with all the settings. You can change according to your need. Go to here recording, change it to here. If you want to best quality, select the 1920 by 1080, obviously the best quality. I will also make a video about that, but this is it. So just click on start recording or click on start streaming. Will help you to stream, and recording will record your screen. So that's it. This is the free software. This will not give you any kind of watermark on here or something. This is the free software, so anybody can use it. It's very simple to use. So thanks for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace.